Since 1976, Aztec Products has specialized in manufacturing high-productivity floor maintenance equipment. This equipment allows contractors to complete floor jobs faster and more effectively while saving thousands of dollars in labor costs. These benefits will enable you to capture larger and better contracts and to improve your profits significantly. The larger the floor, the more labor you will save with Aztec machines, and the more profit you will make. In 1976, two brothers created the first propane-powered planetary action floor stripping and scrubbing machine to help them in their contracting business. That original prototype evolved into the Sidewinder stripping machine. The Sidewinder was and remains the fastest vinyl tile floor stripping machine in existence. In fact, the Sidewinder was so fast that other high-speed machines had to be invented to keep up with it. The goal with each new machine was to help speed up the other machines. The final result of this process is the blazingly fast Aztec Sidewinder stripping and refinishing system. The system consists of 5 high-productivity machines: the Liquidator, the Sidewinder, the Edgewinder, the Guzzler, and the Fast Track Finish Applicator. The Liquidator spreads stripping solution faster and more evenly than any other application method and can do so with less labor. It can apply over 40,000 square feet of solution in less than an hour. The Sidewinder is the quickest, most aggressive floor stripping and scrubbing machine available. With its 3-brush planetary motion, the 30-inch model can easily strip 18,000 square feet of floor per hour or scrub 30,000 square feet of floor per hour. A smaller 24-inch model is available for working in tighter spaces. Both Sidewinder models have 3 scouring heads that spin at 1,150 revolutions per minute, mounted on a solid steel brush drive spinning the opposite direction at 250 RPM. This motion generates an incredibly aggressive scrubbing action. Whichever model you choose, just one pass strips the floor clean. Aztec Sidewinders are not only extremely fast, they are also extremely safe. With their ultra-low emission propane engines, both models are fully EPA and CARB compliant and certified. For even more peace of mind, Aztec offers an optional state-of-the-art 4-wire emission control sensing and shutdown system. This system guarantees that your engine's emissions are compliant or the engine shuts itself off. The Edgewinder speeds up the laborious task of stripping edges and corners and is extremely effective at getting under racks and gondolas. With its 1900 RPM brush speed and 45 pounds of head pressure, the Edgewinder can strip edges at a rate of 12,000 linear feet per hour. If you need to strip or scrub under gondolas, the Edgewinder will reach in 26 inches under a 4-inch high rack. The Guzzler retrieves the spent stripping solution more than twice as fast as a wet vac or auto scrubber. Its mechanical suction system is virtually maintenance-free. It works without motors, batteries, or electrical cords. Because there are no motors or batteries, there is nothing to burn out or run out of charge. No motors also means that no defoamers are necessary, saving you money on chemicals. After you have neutralized the floor with your in-store auto scrubber, the Fast Track Finish Applicator will allow you to evenly apply finish in 28, 36, or 48-inch paths at up to 35,000 square foot per hour. The Fast Track's flow control mechanism ensures that you apply the right coat thickness every time. With no cords, batteries, or motors, it is a simple, rugged, and efficient machine. The bottom line is that the Aztec Sidewinder high-speed stripping and refinishing system is the single best solution for top-quality work at ultra-high speed. Getting the job done faster will increase your customer satisfaction, lower your labor costs, and substantially increase your profits. While your customers appreciate the top-quality results of the Aztec Sidewinder stripping system, you will appreciate its speed. To be successful in the floor contracting business today, you must deliver higher quality and lower costs. With the Sidewinder system, it is easy to increase your profit. To illustrate this, Here is a typical bid sheet for a 20,000 square foot stripping job using conventional methods and using the Sidewinder stripping system. Both systems will have setup costs, chemical costs, and labor costs for stripping, neutralizing, and recoating. Setup costs involve travel and equipment staging. They will be the same with the Aztec system. Chemical costs include the stripper solution and the floor finish. They will be the same or less with the Aztec system. The labor costs are where the Aztec system will save you significant money. Assume $10 per hour per laborer. With the Aztec Sidewinder system, only 10 man-hours of labor will be expended on stripping. This compares with 46 man-hours using the conventional method of stripping. Refinishing with the Fast Track will take only 3/4 of a man-hour per coat. Allowing extra time for drying, one man can still apply 3 coats in 4 hours at a labor expense of $40. After the refinishing labor costs are added, the total labor costs will be $574 for the conventional method and $140 using the Aztec system. Your savings is $434 on a 20,000 square foot job. This table illustrates how dramatically the Sidewinder system can lower labor costs per square foot. With Aztec equipment, whether you are stripping 10,000 square feet or 45,000 square feet, you will only need a small crew to do the job. Using conventional methods, you will need an ever-increasing number of employees to complete the same work. These labor savings go right to the bottom line. Not only does the Sidewinder system provide great results at high speed, but it also delivers long-term dependable service. Its rugged construction allows it to withstand the rigors of heavy professional use. Take a close look and you will see that Aztec takes no shortcuts. Each machine is built to last for years. To you, the floor contractor, the Aztec Sidewinder stripping and refinishing system really amounts to a new business opportunity. It is an opportunity to dramatically improve the quality and speed of your work and with less strain and operator fatigue. Not only does doing jobs faster and better increase your profit, it improves your quality of life. You get home sooner. Faster job, more profit, better quality of life. You owe it to yourself to thoroughly investigate this opportunity. In developing new products, Aztec's goal is always increased labor productivity and more profit to the contractor's bottom line. Aztec offers contractors a great way to increase their productivity and profit with daily maintenance. It is a generally accepted industry fact that propane burnishers are about 10 times as fast as corded electric ones. Aztec's are even faster. Aztec's propane burnishers, with their unique pad angle design, are specifically built for high-speed productivity. As we all know, burnishing results are a direct result of pad speed and head pressure. Propane burnishers allow for more head pressure at high speed. In order to make our machines work faster, Aztec has effectively doubled the head pressure while preserving the same pad speed. Most propane burnishers are flat-footed. The whole pad rests flat on the floor. Take a look at the Aztec burnisher. Notice how it sits on the back half of the pad. Think about it. All of the weight of the Aztec machine is concentrated on the rear half of the pad. That gives the Aztec buffer twice the head pressure of an equally heavy machine, while preserving the same work path. This more aggressive stance eliminates side torque, makes the burnisher easier to handle while guaranteeing better results in less time. And you can be sure your Aztec propane burnisher is extremely safe. Like our other propane-driven products, they have ultra-low emission engines and are fully EPA and CARB compliant and certified. They are also available with a state-of-the-art 4-wire emission control sensing and shutdown system. This system guarantees that your engine's emissions are compliant or the engine shuts itself off. To be successful in the contracting business, you have to think about productivity. You need machines that cut time and cost from the job, machines that will make money for you. Aztec machines provide an opportunity to dramatically improve the quality and speed of your work and with less strain and operator fatigue. See for yourself how Aztec delivers brilliant results at amazing speed.